What's up, everybody? Welcome back. It's your boy here, phase_xxpcyt. So today we're gonna be playing creative 1v1 to warm up, and then we're gonna do some solos. So yeah, enjoy. Use code. Hold on, guys. Let's load. Use code FLEE in the item shop. Enjoy, guys. What do you want me to? What do you think I'm gonna do? Creative or solos first?
Creative.
Okay, you're right. I'm gonna wearing this pickaxe and just this. Got all of these emotes by my friend. Sorry, guys. My dog's scratching me on the leg. Look. Hold on, guys. I'm sorry I'm recording this. Let's check it. Alright. I'm gonna do Face or Was Trick Shot map. And then we're gonna do my map. Flee. Whoever subscribes first, guys, I'll give you a shout out. Pretty laggy right now, guys. I'm at 178 ping. Probably I'm doing the video. Sorry, guys. Dog's biting my freaking leg. Alright, there you go. I'm back. I'm gonna do this first. So, Face or Was Trick Shot man. Yeah. I'm gonna warm up my edits. They're pretty still, guys. You see that top right? No, left, I mean. Laggy. Alright, guys, I'm gonna end the video here because I'm super laggy. Alright, see you guys. Like and subscribe and turn on those notifications. And bye.